G'day guys, Wayne and Judy from Down Under here. Well, you asked for it. What an amazing looking sewing machine. What a beast. Now you have a look here, you can see W. Birch patent. Up the top here, you probably can't see because of the light. You've got William Birch, Manchester maker. It looks like trademark machine, the Birch, and you've got 7593B patent. Well, what a monster. So I've made a little stand for it. It didn't come with the stand, so I've made this little stand here so we can actually freestyle it. Now let's have a look at this. So you've got this thing here, the little holes are actually driven by this cog down here. So as it goes round, the cog actually fits in those holes and turns it round. These spikes are your actual feed dogs. So let's have a look and see how this baby actually operates. See those cogs turning right down the bottom there? How gorgeous is that? Now we'll come round and try and get a look. It's a chain stitch machine. We've worked this one out. There you can see that bottom cog turning round. That's this one here. They look like spikes, but they're actually little round knobs which actually go into so what an amazing machine. So there we've got the Birch sewing machine. Isn't that just absolutely amazing? Just so delighted that we've got it. Thank you very much to Terri and Mick for bringing it for us. You're absolutely wonderful people. So Wayne and Judy Down Under on this Birch piece of amazement. Have a great day.